Hello. I'm gonna hide Chrome so you can see what I'm working with. I've got I took the unit 3 quiz 3 and I copied it PowerPoint and I just made a copy of it and then I'm changing it to be utilized for unit 4 quiz 1. So I have the unit 4 vocab 1 up and I'm just gonna make I'm just gonna make what are these called? Little screenshots of each of the cards. You probably already know how to do this. Shift Command 4 gets this little cursor up and you can take screenshots. All right, I'll just do a couple of them for now just to show you quick. Then I drop the card in there. Oh, no, I don't want it like that. I want it like that. And so there it is. And now we want it to be the color that your computer, the information will pop up on the side. It doesn't on mine for whatever reason. So I will go to recolor and I can choose more colors. And I usually, for one stuff, I go with that really light pink. That's kind of bright, but that works. And so what I usually do is, and I'll change the definition. So this is the central. Okay. And then what I usually do is I'll go through and I'll just do all of these first in the white color. So I think I grabbed 2 more. And the cool thing about that is once I turn it, going to the same recolor, once I turn it that pink, just to make sure I'm grabbing the same color. Okay, you can go to the next one and just select the picture and do Command Y, and that redoes the same instruction that you did on the last page, or it redoes the previous thing that you just did. So then I just go through and I make them all pink or all yellow or whatever, so they don't have to do quite as much work. So it goes pretty quick once you just get all those little pictures and you just drag them, and then I go in and I add I just highlight and I may have already made this in the past, but I would have to be able to access it from either my computer or and my it could have been on my disk drive, but it's not. So, well, not that I can access anyway. So anyway, it doesn't really take me that long. I'll then I'll usually go in and I'll just drop like unit 4 flashcard 1, insert, and I'll do the same thing with the pink color. Double click, recolor. I go to more colors so I can take the dropper and then I'll put page not 2. 3. There, I know that there's more than this, but it gives the kids a good heads up. So that's kind of how I do that. Make it all the cards a different color. All right, hope that was helpful. Bye.